Hey people, this is Tom Howard coming to you from the $20 per referral pages that I put online. And I want everybody to know that if you get into the membership of our team, you're going to be able to make $20 over and over and over again. And it doesn't cost anything to become a member of ours. All we do is we get you signed up in ClickBank. We're not actually using anything in ClickBank except for their affiliate program. Because if you notice, at the top of this page right here, I have put in a person's ClickBank link to my program. That person has a ClickBank account, and it comes through saying hop equals, actually that's my other ClickBank account, but it would do that with everybody's account that has a ClickBank account. And regardless of what, the second thing that you need to do though is not just become a member of ClickBank, you have to also become a member of One Dental. One Dental is the company that paying us $20 for every referral. So that's why I'm making this video, so you'll understand a little bit more. And if you trust me, and if you trust what I'm trying to do online, I'm trying to help as many people as I can, you will understand that this is going to work for every member. What we're going to do is we're going to put everybody's links in a rotator. When they let me turn that off, because I got to turn it off. Exit it. Sorry about that. But what I was saying is that people need to join this, and if you want, you can join it for free and forget about it. Never do anything with it. Eventually, you're going to make some money with it because you're going to be put into the rotator, and this is going to, and I'm going to do advertising, and some of the people will do advertising. You know, there's an 80-20 rule that's in effect usually. 80% of the people will do nothing. Only 20% of the people will do the work. And that's okay, because the 20% is going to bust this thing wide open and cause it to become viral. And that in itself is going to get more and more people signed up. Because as soon as people start receiving their $20 payments and they've done absolutely nothing, they're going to want to promote it more as well. They're going to start believing in the program. All right. So this is why I want to do this. And the other thing that I want to tell you is that when you put your infant in this page down here, what this basically does for me is it gives me your information I will never sell it or rent it or give it away to anybody. But what I want you to know why I need it is because when I get ready to do this, I mean when you get ready to do it, and there I already have a ClickBank username, so I'll put that in there. And one is my Skype name, Telegram. I'm not too sure about that, but I'll put Tom Howard down there. And LinkedIn, Tom Howard as well. Now, when you do that, what that does is it sends me your information over here in my Zoho forms. And here it is, right here. Okay, I'm going to open that one there, and you can see everything that I submitted in that form. So now, the most important thing is this right here. Remember that page over here? Right up at the top? There it is. Same thing. I know who submitted that form right there because that is listed right there in the referrer's name. And that's how I know to send that person to your $20 per referral system. This is all a system that's in place here. And what I'm going to do is get people started in the system, what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop the system's information. It's only for training purposes, that system, because I want you to understand why we're doing it this way. So, but I'll send you this system, and that's a training system, and then I will send you the actual join link that you need to join One Dental and ClickBank. If you don't have a ClickBank username, just leave that part of the form blank, and I will know that you don't have one. And if you are living in an area where you can get one, great, because we'll get you signed up for ClickBank. But if not, you're going to have to do something else, because this is only for people that live in the United States. All right. So and if you live in the United States, One Dental is only operating in the United States. So I hope this has been helpful. Thank you.